Apply glue to the end of the machine gun ornament. Do the same to the other ones. Then insert it into the corresponding hole on the aileron. Insert it to the end. In the same way, install the decorative piece for the other side of the ailerons as well. First, open the cockpit. Insert the carbon tube into the wing first. And rearrange and fix the wires. First, pass the carbon tube through the carbon tube hole. Then put all the wires through the small square holes. And put them into the battery compartment. Then align the two slots and press them together. There are two screw mounting positions inside. We use two screws to fix it respectively. The same goes for the left wing. We insert the carbon tube first. Then run the wires through here. Then align it with the slots on both sides and insert it. Fix the front and back of the wing with screws. In this way, the wing is connected. First, loosen the machine screw. After loosening, align the side with the notch. Align it with the screw hole and insert it. Tighten the machine screw to fix it. Then the tail wheel is installed. Apply glue to the antenna. And insert it into the mounting port. Let's assemble the vertical and horizontal stabilizers first. Align the slots and press them down. Turn the plane over and tighten it with 2 screws. Check if the length of the pull rod is suitable. Insert the steel wire into the first hole of the servo arm. The current length is too short. You can screw the pull rod longer. Remove the nut on the ball head. Secure the ball head to the rudder angle. Fix the nut and tighten it. First, check the length of the pull rod. If it's too long, shorten it a little. Pass the steel wire through the hole of the servo arm. Fix it with 2 screws. Fix the back plate. Tighten the screws. Insert it into the corresponding slot of the fuselage. Fix it with screws. Remove the bullet-shaped drill bit and washer first. Install the paddle seat onto the motor first. Fix it with hexagon socket screws. Put the propeller on. Then install the gasket. Install the bullet head. Tighten. You can use tools to fix it. At the bottom of the apply glue. Adhesive can also be applied inside the cockpit. Secure it in the cockpit. The canopy was also coated with adhesive, just as shown in the video. Then, we align and gently press. And stick it according to the instructions. The entire plane is installed here. An aircraft has a rudder vader line, a wing line, a landing gear line, and a light wire. First, adjust the aileron lines on the left and right wings. Connect them with Y-line. Connect the aileron wires using another Y-wire. Then use the control unit that comes with the fuselage. Let's first plug in the extension cord at the location of the navigation lights. Insert the plug into the socket according to the positive and negative terminals. These two are landing gear lines. And these two are the left and right navigation lights wires. We first plug in the landing gear wires. Then connect the light wires to the extension cord. In this way, the light wire and the landing gear wire are connected. Next, I'll demonstrate the wiring using the Senior 86A for everyone. Our aileron line is connected to channel 1. The hoisting line connects to channel 2. Accelerator pedal connected to channel 3. The directional line connects to channel 4. Landing gear lines connected to channel 5. The spoilers were finally connected to channel 7. In this way, all the wires are connected. After connecting, you can organize the wires. Install the battery. Power on and pair. Then press and hold the pairing button for more than 2 seconds. The indicator light turning green and staying on indicates that the frequency assignment has been completed. Landing gear testing. Aileron testing. Horizontal tail testing. Vertical tail testing. Flap testing. Motor testing. The entire assembly and wiring test of the aircraft has been completed.